Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to construct a professional company profile using Canva in just 5 minutes. Canva is an excellent online design resource that provides a vast array of templates and customization features to suit your branding. To start, open your web browser and navigate to the Canva homepage. Once there, type Professional Company Profile into the search bar. This will generate several pre-designed templates specifically tailored for business profiles. These layouts are a perfect starting point because they follow industry standards while allowing for complete customization. Take a moment to look through the available designs. You want a template that reflects your company's personality and the message you intend to share. After finding the right one, select it to view a preview of the layout. When you are ready, click Customize this template to open the Canva editor. Now, you can begin replacing the placeholder text with your specific company information. Simply click on any text box, highlight the existing words, and enter your own details. Make sure to include essential items like your business name, mission statement, services, and contact information. This is your opportunity to showcase what makes your brand unique. So feel free to adjust the font styles, sizes, and colors to match your visual identity. Next, to ensure your profile is visually engaging, you should add your own images and graphics. This is easily done using the Uploads feature. Click the Uploads tab on the left-hand panel and hit the Upload Files button to bring in pictures from your device. You can upload your logo, product photos, or other relevant visuals. Once they are in your library, drag and drop them directly onto the template. This replaces the default images with your own, making the profile feel personalized and professional. Adjust the scaling and placement as needed to create a balanced design. That is it. With these simple steps, you have created a high-quality company profile that represents your brand effectively. Canva makes it easy to save and download your file, so you can share it immediately. I hope you found this tutorial helpful for your business needs. Thanks for watching.